Measure and cut any shape for your next project with the rack contour gauge in 3 easy steps. Just press the 182 thin teeth to smoothly contour to almost any shape without scratching. Once the object has been contoured, just lock the teeth in place with our patented locking feature. Then trace the exact shape without fear of it moving, and cut. Save time, money, and headaches by making the right cut the first time, every time. The rack contour gauge is built tough with durable ABS plastic and an aluminum core. Plus, the flat profile makes it easy to store and transport. And with its premium box packaging, it makes a great gift item. Make difficult cuts easy with the rack contour gauge.
Be ready for anything with the Rack Hammer Multi-Tool. Unlike most multi-tools, ours features a compact hammer to handle various small tasks, plus 11 other tools including a nail claw, pliers, wire cutter, flathead and Phillips screwdriver, saw, straight and serrated blade, file, and bottle opener. The locking feature ensures tools lock into place during use for added stability and safety. Plus, it's built with a heavy-duty stainless steel construction to keep up with you, but feels light and comfortable in your hands. Keep it close with the included durable nylon belt holster. Stay prepared with the Rack Hammer Multi-Tool. Get into hard-to-reach places and recover lost items with the Rack Magnetic Pickup Tool. Our pickup tool features 3 super bright LED bulbs built into the head to light up dark areas. Plus, the telescoping neck extends 22 inches and flexes 360 degrees to reach even the most difficult areas. And the head is magnetic to retrieve nuts, bolts, screws, and more. Stick the magnetic base where you need it for a hands-free lighting option. Constructed of military-grade aluminum, the Rack Magnetic LED Pickup Tool is water-resistant, shock-proof, and built to last. Don't let anything stop you from your work with the Rack Magnetic Pickup Tool.
You're my heartbeat, my silent drum that is kicking me till I'm numb. I wanna feel the love that James Brown did when he got standing ovations on his gig. I wanna feel free like a bird in the sky when he opened his wings to fly on by to the beat of my silent drum that is kicking me till I'm numb. When he opened his wings to fly on by to the beat of a silent drum that is kicking me till I'm numb. Oh.
What's going on, everybody? Matt from the Atomic Bear, and today we're going to be looking at some unique ways that you can use your Atomic Bear swat pen. So let's go ahead and let's get into it.